the world sets. Welcome everybody. These are some of the most processed I've ever created in film. And also if you look over there, you can see that big airplane on the left that was actually bought and destroyed for the sole purposes of the film, costing the production $60,000 for that airplane, which is not even that bad, but it did cost them $200,000 to ship it out here to Southern California, proving once and again that shipping and handling is just the worst.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes on right in the big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, all right? Stand closed.
Bobby, get in. Get in.
Alright folks, I'm going to leave behind the War of the Worlds, but take note that we also use these for that episode of Community that I keep talking about, and also for the Netflix original series Love. They built some scenes out here in these sets. As we leave, look over here on your right, you're going to see a